This is how to create AI realistic storytelling videos for YouTube automation from scratch. And these tools that I'm about to show right now are completely free of charge. So at first, we're starting with getting our script from ChatGPT. So you head over to ChatGPT and get some script. Just tell ChatGPT the type of niche you are into. And let me say it's storytelling videos, is it crime story, wide stories, or anything like that. And tell ChatGPT to give you, let me say, 10 content ideas. So if you give you the 10 content ideas, right now you just pick one that you like, that you think that this one will actually go viral. So just copy it and tell ChatGPT to give you a script. So when it's finished giving you a script, you now copy it to 11 labs. That is the first place. Copy to 11 labs. Then you generate a voiceover. So next, you can use Meta AI, you understand, for generating images for the videos. So you just tell ChatGPT to give you script for AI images, you understand. So after the ChatGPT generating those image then scripts, you take it to Meta AI to generate the images. Then the next step is heading over to Grok. So Grok is an AI tool that actually help you transform your images into scenes. So if you transform those images into scenes, you then head over to the final place, which is actually Capcut. So Capcut will help you combine everything together. So this is what you do right now. So first you add those scenes you generated from Grok. Yes. So I'll be listing these links of this AI that I told you right now in the description of this video. So do well to subscribe, like, and comment AI for more tools. So then you add the scenes on CapCut and then add the voiceovers. The voiceover of the storytelling video you generated, like the storytelling voiceover you generated from 11 labs. So then you now add auto caption to actually explain what you like. It's more engaging if you create a video with auto caption. It's keep people more engaging to watch the video. So you add the auto caption and everything. So you combine everything together and then export it. Then the video is complete. You create a channel and start posting. So you can check my channel for things to do before you start posting. So you don't just go and start posting on YouTube just like that. You will need a YouTube that is like at least a month old. So just go to my YouTube, one of my last videos, and check it out. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment AI for more free tips like this. Bye.